Welcome to English in a Minute. Some American English expressions sound like they could hurt.
Hit the spot.
Let's see if Anna and Jonathan can help us out.
Have you been to the new restaurant down the street?
I haven't. Is the food any good?
It's delicious. I ate lunch there yesterday, and I had a hamburger that really hit the spot.
A hamburger is exactly what I need right now.
If something hits the spot, it is exactly what is needed or wanted. It is completely satisfying, like the hamburger in our example. This expression became popular in the 1930s. It was used in a short song advertising a popular soft drink, said to hit the spot. And that's English in a Minute.